The very first thing is the chassis frame that the building is built on. As everyone knows, you have to have a really strong foundation. And as you see behind us, we do all our own chassis here in-house at Affordable Modular Buildings, so we have total quality control. The base is such an important part of the structure because everything's got to be level, everything's got to be square. When the walls go up, you don't want any discrepancies. You want to be able to build it fast, build it smart and high quality. There's also other things like thermal breaks and other important aspects that if those things are out at the start, you won't get a very good structure being built. Everyone knows that everything has to be level and square when you're building something. But how we do it is obviously we have adjustable posts on site so we can adjust things perfectly to get it within a millimetre or so when we're building or dropping the building on site. When we're building the chassis and frame, we use good tools, we have great people and we have good systems to make sure everything's perfect and level so we get it within a perfect tolerance. So our engineer, when they look at it, they pass it off every time. Every part or every step of the project from base to walls up has a QMS process where we go through and we look at our iPads, we go through and check off everything, all the work that's been done, then we sign off on it, and then we have a manager or a quality assurance person or a team leader go and look at that work to make sure that it can pass to go to the next stage. Back in the day, a welder used to just put their initials in the frame or what their work was, somewhere indiscreet. But nowadays, they sometimes do that, but nowadays we just do it by documentation. So we go through the process, how our documentation, they sign off on the project, and then we move forward to the next stage of the build.